28-day service with 4.5-ounce liquid can air freshener. Air scent liquid can refills are a popular option for air freshener service. For consistent results, remove the cover of the Odyssey dispenser. Then, remove the old refill and dispose of properly. Clean the dust from inside of the dispenser and fan blade. Open the refill can and drop the metal tab inside the can. Loop 3 wicks as shown and insert them into the can. Make sure they touch the bottom. Carefully replace the refill and change the battery if necessary. Finally, replace the Odyssey dispenser cover. Repeat this service procedure at least every 28 days.